In this demonstration, we're going to assign administrative roles to an end user. I received an email from my manager indicating that we have a new hire starting. This new hire is going to be on our help desk. My manager asked me to assign the user to the Okta help desk administrator role so that they can become productive right away. Let's take a look at how we do this. If you recall, the only Okta administrative role that can assign other administrative roles is the super administrator. So I'm going to log in with the super administrator username and password, and then click sign in. Once I land on the Okta admin dashboard, I'm going to look at the left frame, expand the security tab, and find the administrators subtab. Once I land on the administrators menu page, I'm going to click on the blue button to add administrator. I'm going to search for my user, and then I'm going to select a role. In this case, help desk administrator. When I'm done, I'm going to click on add administrator. We now see that the administrators tab page has been updated so that Sally is present and her current role. While this method is great for low volume requests, just a few at a time, I've received an email from our HR team indicating that we're going to have a significant number of new hires in our sales department. I need to find a better way to do this at volume. We'll take a look at that in an upcoming demonstration.